In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag someone on Instagram. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to mention someone so they get a notification and your content becomes easier to discover and engage with. First, open the Instagram app and head to your main dashboard. This is the home screen you see when you first log in, with your feed of posts from people you follow. Make sure you are logged into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one profile. Next, look for a post in your feed where you want to tag someone in the comments. This can be your own post or someone else's. Underneath the post, you'll see a row of icons. Tap the comment icon, which looks like a little speech bubble. This will open up the comment section for that specific post, and you'll see a field where you can type your comment. In the comment field, start by typing the @ symbol, followed immediately by the username of the person you want to tag. For example, if their handle is example user, you would type @example user with no spaces. As you type, Instagram will automatically show you a list of accounts that match what you're entering. This is really useful if you're not sure of the exact spelling of their username. Once you see the right account appear in that list, tap on it. Instagram will automatically complete the username in your comment. This step is important because choosing from the list helps make sure you're tagging the correct person and not an account with a similar name. After that, you can finish writing whatever you want to say in your comment, then hit post or send to publish it. Remember that you're not limited to tagging people only in comments. You can also tag people directly in posts, in stories, in captions, and sometimes in reels. When you do this, Instagram will send them a notification letting them know they've been tagged. For regular photo posts and many reels, that content can also appear in the photos of you section of their profile, depending on their privacy settings and whether they approve the tag. This is a great way to connect with friends, credit creators, or highlight brands and collaborators. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can start tagging people confidently and make your Instagram interactions much more engaging and personal.